You don't think about your carry gun until you have to. A quick stop at the store, a weird look in the parking lot, suddenly your heart's racing and your hand's hovering near your wrist. And that's when you realize your gun better be the right one. In 2025, the options are endless. But which ones actually hold up when things go sideways? In this video, we're counting down the top 7 best carry guns that are winning in the real world, not just on paper. These aren't gimmicks. They're proven, practical, and carry-ready for anyone serious about staying safe. Some are new, some are underrated, and one might just surprise you. This is Arms Mastery. Tap subscribe now, because when it comes to carrying the right gun, guessing isn't an option. Number 7. Taurus GX4 Toro. You wouldn't expect a compact carry gun to shoot like a full size until you try this one. It's flat, it's fast, and it's built with features that usually come with a much higher price tag. The thing is chambered in 9mm and weighs just 21.5 ounces. Barrel length, 3.7 inches. Total length, 6.56 inches. It's only 1.08 inches wide at its widest point, so yes, it disappears under a t-shirt. Yet, somehow, it packs 2 15-round mags right out of the box. Steel sights, flat-face trigger, and a grip texture that feels like worn sandpaper. Just enough bite without being uncomfortable. It comes with 3 back straps, so whether you like the Glock angle or the 1911 feel, you'll find the one that fits you best. The slide is optic ready and supports the HoloSun K-series footprint. There's even a Picatinny rail up front if you're running a light. The internal parts are corrosion resistant, and that DLC barrel finish means it's made to last. It has an MSRP of $425, but the current street prices range from $256 to $320 depending on the retailer. Pros: 15+1 capacity in a slim frame, optics ready and light ready, durable build with premium finishes, excellent value for money. Cons: longer grip limits concealment slightly. Tool needed takedown might annoy some users. Number 6. Ruger LCP Max. If you think pocket pistols can't be reliable or comfortable, think again. This one flips the script. It's compact, it's light, and it holds more rounds than you'd expect from something this small. Weighing only 10.6 ounces, this 380 ACP is made for deep concealment. It's just over 5 inches long and barely 0.81 inches wide. The 2.8-inch barrel keeps it short enough for true everyday carry. Still, it packs a 10+1 capacity with the flush fit mag, and you can bump that to 12 with an optional extended mag. The grip frame is high-performance glass-filled nylon. The texture feels like 600 grift sandpaper, grippy but still comfortable against the skin. The trigger is single-action hammer-fired, and it has light take-up with a longer reset. Not amazing, but more than usable. You'll notice the sights right away. Up front, there's a tritium night sight with a white ring, and near the rear features a drift-adjustable U-notch. This setup is a huge step up from older models. It even lets you rack off a belt in a pinch. Slide stop? Functional, but not perfect. Sometimes it needs help to lock back. The mag release is reversible and easy to reach. Disassembly takes a tool, but maintenance is simple. Its price varies by model and retailer, ranging from approximately $230 for the 75th anniversary edition to approximately $370 for the standard model. Pros: super light and easy to conceal. 10+1 capacity in a small frame, upgraded sights for low light shooting. Cons: slide stop isn't always reliable, longer trigger reset may slow follow-up shots. Number 5. Glock 43X MOS. When your carry gun needs to be smart, slim, and ready for upgrades, this one checks all the boxes. It's not trying to impress with flash, it's built to work every single time. Chambered in 9mm, it's got a 3.41-inch barrel and measures 6.5 inches in total length. The height hits 5.04 inches with the mag inserted, and it stays slim at just 1.10 inches wide. Fully loaded, it weighs around 23 ounces, light enough for daily carry, sturdy enough for real control. You're working with a 10+1 capacity out of the box, but if that's not enough, aftermarket 15-round mags are available that fit flush and stay reliable. The slide is milled for direct red dot mounting. Think Shield RMSC, Holosun 507K, and similar micros. That optic-ready design changes the game for accuracy and speed. There's also a compact rail up front for lights or lasers. The grip has a built-in beaver tail and solid texture for a confident hold. Trigger pull is crisp, landing near 5.5 pounds with a quick reset. It ships with standard Glock sights, usable, but most serious carriers upgrade. Current market price? Around $449 to $485 depending on the retailer. Pros: ready for optics and light attachments. Balanced for comfortable everyday carry. Simple, proven reliability. Cons: basic factory sights. Needs mag upgrade for higher capacity. Number 4. Springfield Hellcat Pro OSP. This one doesn't feel like your average carry gun. It feels like something more. You get full-sized firepower, rock-solid control, and top-tier features, all in a frame that's only an inch wide. It's chambered in 9mm with a 3.7-inch hammer-forged barrel and a steel slide finish in melanite for added durability. Overall length sits at 6.6 inches, height is 4.8 inches, and it weighs just 21 ounces unloaded. It's slim, balanced, and light enough for all-day carry without giving up performance. It comes with 2 flush-fit 15-round steel magazines, giving you serious capacity without any printing. The grip is wrapped in adaptive texture, comfortable but aggressive enough to stay locked in even with sweaty hands. The ambidextrous manual safety clicks on and off cleanly, while the bladed trigger safety gives you that extra peace of mind. Up top, the slide is milled for micro red dots using the Springfield micro footprint, so you can drop your optic directly onto the slide without tail mounts. The iron sights include a tritium luminescent front and tactical U-notch rear for fast target tracking in low light. There's also a front Picatinny rail, perfect for mounting a compact light or laser. Whether you carry appendix or strong side, this setup disappears under a shirt with the right holster. The current price of the Springfield Hellcat Pro OSP ranges from $539 to $589, while the official MSRP is $649. Pros: 15+1 capacity with flush mags. Optics-ready slide with quality sights. Great grip texture and manual safety. Cons: slight muzzle rise under rapid fire. Rear serrations could offer more bite. Number 3. Staccato CS. You know a gun is special when it feels custom the second you grip it. Tight trigger, zero rattle, and recoil so controlled it barely shifts off target. This isn't your average compact. It's a performance pistol built for carry. Chambered in 9mm, it runs a 3.5-inch fluted bull barrel that's all stainless steel. Overall length is 7.1 inches. Height hits 5.6 inches, and the width at the grip is about 1.45 inches. Weight comes in around 23 ounces unloaded. Solid, but not bulky. Capacity: 16+1. And the mags drop fast and lock in clean even when fully loaded. You get ambidextrous safety levers, a right-hand slide stop, and a textured polymer grip that locks your hand in without being too aggressive. The single-action trigger breaks at just under 4 pounds. Clean, short reset. Exactly what you want in a pistol designed for speed and precision. The sights include a Dawson precision fiber optic front and a serrated black rear. Not flashy, but fast. And yes, it's optics ready, using the Dawson precision optic system for a tight, direct mount. The recoil system is a dual spring setup, tuned for fast cycling without the snap. The result? Smoother splits, tighter groups. Shoots flat, tracks fast, and stays on target. You'll pay for it. Street price runs around $2,580, but this thing delivers. Period. Pros: smoothest recoil in its class, 16+1 capacity in a true performance platform, optics ready with elite build quality. Cons: premium price tag, slide stop can be hard to reach without shifting grip. Number 2. Glock 19 Gen 5 MOS. Some guns earn their reputation, others define it. This one, it's the standard everyone else is still trying to beat. Trusted by military, law enforcement, and concealed carriers alike, it's the workhorse that never quits. Chambered in 9mm, it features a 4.02-inch marksman barrel with improved rifling for tighter groups. The slide comes ready for optics with the MOS modular optic system. cut, letting you mount popular red dots with ease. Overall length is 7.28 inches, height stands at 5.04 inches, and it's 1.34 inches wide. Weight lands at 23.63 ounces unloaded, ideal for carry without sacrificing control. It ships with 3 15-round magazines and has a flared magwell for faster reloads. The grip drops the old finger grooves, giving you a cleaner, more universal hold. You also get ambidextrous slide stops and a reversible mag release, smart upgrades for lefties and righties alike. The trigger is smoother than older models, and that NDLC finish on the slide keeps corrosion at bay. Like every Glock, it's dead simple to maintain, with tool-free disassembly and parts that run forever. Is it flashy? No. Is it flawless? Close. This is the pistol you rely on when nothing else is an option. Current market price, around $620 to $650 depending on the retailer. Pros: proven reliability with thousands of rounds. Optics-ready MOS slide. Great for both carry and home defense. Cons: factory sights are underwhelming. Grip still feels bulky for some shooters. Number 1. SIG Sauer P365X Macro. Most carry guns make you choose capacity or concealability, control or comfort. This one says, why not all of it? It's slim, smart, and built to shoot flatter than anything else its size. Chambered in 9mm, it features a 3.1-inch carbon steel barrel and an overall length of 6.6 inches. The height measures 5.2 inches with the mag in, width is just 1.1 inches, and unloaded weight is 21.5 ounces. The standout? A flush-fit 17+1 round capacity packed into a compact frame, no extensions needed. The slide is optics ready and cut for RMS footprint red dots like the SIG Romeo Zero, HoloSun EPS Carry, and others. You also get X-Ray 3 day-night sights out of the box, bright in daylight, glowing at night. Recoil is impressively low thanks to a built-in compensator. It's not a threaded add-on. The slide itself features gas ports that reduce muzzle flip. Paired with a flared magwell and 3 interchangeable backstraps, control and reloads are fast and smooth. The grip texture is balanced, secure without being abrasive, and both large and small-handed shooters feel right at home. The M1913 rail gives you space for a light or laser, and takedown is tool-free, with no trigger press required. Street price is around $725. Pros: huge 17+1 capacity in a slim frame. Integrated compensator reduces muzzle rise. Optic ready and rail equipped. Cons: trigger feel is soft with a long break. Last few rounds in the mag are tough without a loader. That wraps it up. Your next carry gun might have been on this list. Now it's your call. Hit subscribe, drop your favorite down in the comments, or tell us which one deserved a spot. Keep it locked here on Arms Mastery. Carry with confidence.